Another filter in OnTime is the Legends filter, which you can also find on the left side. This filter shows you different legends with different meanings, such as working from home, and it also visualizes them in colors. This makes it easier for you to interact and know what people who are outside the office are doing. This could be things such as working from home, traveling, or having vacation. All these filters can be used actively, so for example, you can ask to see who is working from home, and only these entries will be in color, which makes it easy to focus on who is working from home without being distracted by other users. This is the main set of the organization, but you can also within the organization make subsets. For example, I have one here for the sales department, where I can then focus on other things like, for example, who's having a client meeting. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.